Thanks for taking a little time for yourself. Just a reminder, you're your own number one priority, and even a few minutes of relaxation can make a big difference in the rest of your day. So, take this moment to check in with yourself and think about what you want to accomplish for the rest of the day. To get started, just find a comfy spot, whether you're sitting at your desk or lounging on the couch at home. All you need to do is settle into whatever position feels good for you, then gently close your eyes. Focus on your breathing, making each breath slower and deeper than it's been all day. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. Keep breathing just like that, feeling your lungs expand as you breathe in and relax as you breathe out. Tune into your body and notice how it feels. If there's anything your body's trying to tell you, just be aware of it. Pay attention to any areas of tension or discomfort, and let those spots unwind, sending a little love their way. Now, take a moment to thank your body for taking such good care of you, and let it know it's totally okay to rest and relax for a bit. Right now, you might notice your mind wandering, and that's totally okay. It's completely natural. Just recognize it and gently bring your attention back to your body, using your breath as your anchor. Think of something from today that made you smile, feel grateful, or appreciate something. Let that feeling fill you up for a moment. Breathe it in from head to toe, and if it feels natural, go ahead and smile. Now, focus on one thing you can do today, whether it's for yourself or for someone else. That will help you keep this feeling going. It could be something simple, like deciding to go to bed early so you can finally read that book on your nightstand. Or maybe the joy of having dinner with a close friend. What little thing can you plan that will bring you easy joy today? Just sit with that thought for a few minutes and let yourself enjoy the happiness and peace it brings. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly. If any thoughts or distractions arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your attention to your breathing. There's no need to push thoughts away. Just let them come and go like waves on the shore. As you near the end of your meditation, take a moment to check in with yourself. How do you feel now? Notice any changes in your body or your mind. even if they're subtle. Take one last deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. You've just completed a 5-minute meditation. Take a moment to appreciate this time you've given yourself and carry this sense of calm and presence with you into the rest of your day.